Unraveling the Sounds of English, Allophones Uncovered. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic in the world of English pronunciation. This video is all about allophones, a term that might sound a bit technical but is actually an essential concept in phonetics and phonology. By understanding allophones, you will improve your English pronunciation skills, and the way you perceive the language will fundamentally change. So, let's dive right in. To understand allophones, we first need to understand a bit about phonemes. Phonemes are the smallest units of sound that can distinguish meaning in a language. For instance, changing the initial phoneme of cat to bat alters the meaning of the word. Now, here comes the part about allophones. Allophones are variations of phonemes that do not change the meaning of a word, even when they sound slightly different. To give you an example without using phonetic transcription, think about the letter T in the English language. The T in star is pronounced slightly differently from the T in try. Despite this subtle difference in pronunciation, we still perceive both sounds as the T phoneme. This happens because these different T sounds are allophones of the same phoneme. They are different, yet we consider them to be variations of the same sound. You might wonder, why do we need to learn about allophones? Well, understanding allophones is crucial in enhancing your listening skills and perfecting your pronunciation. 1. Listening skills. Sometimes, non-native speakers find it hard to understand native speakers because they are not used to the variety of sounds, or allophones, that native speakers use. Knowing about allophones can help you become more adaptable and comprehend spoken English better. 2. Pronunciation. In addition, allophones can also help improve your pronunciation. They allow you to sound more natural when speaking English, because you're using the range of sounds that native speakers use. Now let's look at a few common examples of allophones in English. We've already mentioned the T sound. Let's now consider the P sound. The P in spin is pronounced slightly differently from the P in pin, though we consider both to be the same sound. Similarly, the K in kill is not the same as the K in skull. Yet, they are allophones of the same phoneme. This is a vast topic, and there are many more allophones in English. As you become more familiar with them, you'll notice improvements in your English listening and speaking skills. And that's it. We hope this video has provided a solid introduction to the concept of allophones. It's an important topic that often doesn't get enough attention in language learning, but it's crucial for mastering the subtleties of English pronunciation. As you continue to explore phonetics and phonology, remember that language is not just about vocabulary and grammar. It's also about the sounds and how we produce them. So, keep practicing, and always stay curious about the fascinating world of English pronunciation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.